One thing that's really cool, I love this so much. Mayor John Tory spoke out about it. He said, please avoid crowds for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah,
he's like, just don't do it, you know?
there,
Just
buddy.
please.
BMW wasn't too happy with that car. 73. Dope. There was an odd E cut in the light. Yep. Truck's flashing in too. Right on red. Yep. Oh, yeah. That's so fast you drove on the wrong side of the road.
line everywhere.
Zipline dreams are my favorite. Friday's Lotomax jackpot is $70 million, plus an estimated...
Stay apart from each other. We are not doing a very good job. 311, which is like the city's information line, I guess. It's just like the calls just all over the place. The switchboards lit up because we're tattling on each other because we need to, apparently.
Yeah, it's turned into like the tattletale line more than anything else. And at first I'm like, oh, you know, it is funny that we're calling it a snitch line because snitch has such a negative connotation to it. But if you're somebody who's like, well, everybody is very scared of this, and everybody knows somebody who's a little bit more vulnerable. So yeah, it's frustrating when you're doing your part and you see nobody else helping.
Yeah, and it's like, where is the line between being a snitch, being a tattletale, and just looking out for like the greater public good, right?